So I am in a 1999 Ford Explorer trying to get this off the latch. 1999s through what is it, 2003 Ford Explorers pretty much have similar parts, like the latches. Like this is closed, but the latch works. Like the one in my car, it doesn't work. You know, just some typical Ford Explorer shit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take this off. This is gonna be my first time taking this stuff off. Like I said, 1999 through 2003 Ford Explorers do have very similar parts. The part that I can tell you that's gonna have to be taken off is this bolt, these two bolts right here, 1, 2, and you know, we can just snap this off, you know, however it comes off. That's a junkyard anyway, so it doesn't matter. You know, just trying to salvage some parts for someone else to come through if they need the parts. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started on this. So like I said, gonna start right here. I'm gonna start right there, then move down to here, and as you can see, I'm trying to get this part off, this whole metal or copper piece right here. I'm trying to get this whole bad boy off, and it's going to be some attachments in here that's going to be holding on, like this little piece right here. I'm gonna have to detach that and detach this right here. So even though you take off the bolts, it's still gonna have to be like little snagging parts onto it that you're gonna have to take off. Hopefully you can try to salvage some, and for that way you won't have to go to the store and buy them. But this seems like a pretty good piece, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it. Reminder, it's like, this is Dallas, Texas, and believe me, those clouds is not hiding the heat at all. So it's pretty raw in this truck. You know, it's a 1999 Ford Explorer, and look at that right in front of me. It is my truck, but mine is black, but the latch doesn't work on it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get started on this one. This is, like I said, it's the same one that I have in my car. So yeah.